642ENT/Animal Planet, man. I just walked out the back door, man. My little homie just tell me, man, that bird finna goddamn kill that other bird. Dog, it real ratchet out here in these bricks, y'all. I'm talking about, nigga, we got bird killing bird eating birds and everything, dog. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Oh, they fight. What? Get him. 642ENT/Animal Planet, man. These birds are really, I think they started fighting in the air, man. I wish I'd caught that mess, man. Look at it, he's steady scuffing him. Oh, he trying to fight back. He ain't dead, is he? He ain't dead, but he got his ass whooped. 642ENT/Animal Planet, man. Ain't no telling what you might catch in these bricks, shawty. We call this shit bird on bird action.